Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video today, I'll be showing us two airdrops that we're gonna take serious and so that when if this course is now listed and start making some making their distribution, we're gonna pay us well. Understand? So right now, the first one here is the one in your screen right now. It's called the KCP. You understand? The KCP. So that's the one you're seeing right now. So I'll be dropping the link down in the description, which you just have to sign up or download the app from your Play Store. So once you download the app, it will take you to this point. They will give you at I think 500 worth of KS. You'll be seeing here like now I'm having total of 1,124 of total assets. You understand? So there will be a link which you have to, there'll be a code, you understand? So for you to receive your own payment here, you understand, there will be a code. I'll be dropping down the description. So the code, you just have to click this bind box. So once you click this bind box, you attach, you place the code here, understand? So this is the code you'll be seeing here. Just place the code here, and once you place the code here, you come there and click this button below, understand? But I've already done mine and I've received my payment all this while this time, so I don't have to do that again, understand? So that's just how the thing you have to note. And once you do that, come here and copy your, click here. Once you click this chain ID, they'll be giving your details. So just make sure you copy your details, and I'll not be clicking it because mine will be displaying. So it's a private key that you need to save, you understand? Copy it down a separate place, maybe your jotter, your book, and keep it safe for future purposes, you understand? So, and that way you have to be increasing your balance here, you understand? It's just by way of increasing your balance here is by clicking on this daily check-in. Yes, this daily check-in. Once you click on this daily check-in, your balance keep increasing. Like I'll just click mine now, and you see additional money will be added to mine. So look at the daily checking, signing. I've been doing all this while, you understand? So and my invitation all this while. So once you invite, there'll be a reward for you. So once you check in, there'll be a reward for you. So now I've done I've checked in for today. So I've seen there's an increment now in my balance. So they'll be giving you a little token just for checking. And you can see here it's showing checked. You understand? No more signing again. So that's just how this site looks. So I'll be dropping the link down in the description, you understand? So if it is being listed, if it's being listed, that means the price, though I'm sure they will not be giving this total amount. They will do their calculation. There's a way they do break it down for withdrawal, understand? But I hope they pay us much. So once you've done getting to this point, understand, the next thing you have to do is to link this site to an exchange, and the recommended exchange here now is the MetaMask, you understand? The MetaMask. So once you join their Telegram community, let's just click this Telegram link. It will take us to the Telegram group. Then we'll be seeing their contract address. I'll be dropping their contract address also. So once you join their Telegram community, there'll be a contract address which you have to link. You have to use to link your address with MetaMask so that increase to help that, because that's what they'll be paying you when they start the distribution. You understand? So I've actually done my, I don't know, scrolling up now is where they paste. Okay, maybe you check this pin post over here. That's where you see one of, you see more the contract address, this pin post over here. So that's where the pin post is. So this one is the, okay, not this one. So you keep clicking it. But actually I'll just be dropping the contract address. So let me just show you how to link your contract address for this site, you understand, to your MetaMask. So I'll show you, all of us have the MetaMask address. So the MetaMask is an exchange. I'll just go ahead to click my own MetaMask right now. So I just did my own linking now, you understand? Like I just put the exchange and link the contract address to my MetaMask. So now waiting for their distribution date. I think their distribution should be middle of this month, you understand? So the first thing you have to do when you come to your MetaMask is to make sure that this you change here to BNB chain, you understand? Probably it might be in Ethereum, it might be in Ethereum main network, you understand? It might be in Ethereum main network. So like as you can see right now, or is it down? So as you can see right now, it might be in Ethereum network. So once it's something like this, or probably any main network here, just change it to, just click on it and bring it down to BNB, you understand, which is the Binance chain network. So this one here, that's what I'll just take it and click on it, which is the Binance. So let me just show us here. So this is the one you click. So this one should be the one appearing here. So right now, just go ahead to click on it and allow it to switch. You understand? So sometimes it just takes some time to switch. As you can see, it's switched now. You understand? So once you do that, the next thing you have to do is to click on this import token. Yeah, this import token here. So once you click on this import token right now, you will have to copy a, okay, let me just click on it right now. I've actually done it too. Let's say BNB active now. Okay, I'll just click on this import token and let's allow it to load. I don't know, sometimes this app can be slow, you understand? So let's just hold on. So guys, go ahead to click on this import token. Once you click on this import token, it will be on search, you understand? It will be on search, but no need putting it on search. Just click this custom token. Yes, I want to click on this custom token. Once you click custom token right now, you'll be seeing something like this. You have to paste the contract address. This is the place you paste the contract address. So right now, let me go to the Telegram group. Let me show you their contract address. So look at the site, their Telegram community so far. Look, so and this is the contract address here. Look at the Telegram community, and this is the contract address here. As you can see here, they say KCpay platform coins is held as a new star in the blockchain industry. Look at the contract address so far. So you can just copy it. Now I'll be pasting the contract address down my own. I have my own Telegram community, which I do drop update just now, which is the SN crypto world here. So I'll be dropping the contract address here. Yes, and look at it. I just paste it here, and I will just target KCP contract address. You understand? So I will send it, and let me pin it also, so that once you come to my group, you will just get to, yeah, you just get to see it pin, and you, okay, sorry, I'm pressing on this and that. So once you just come to my group, where is the pin option? All right, once you come to my group, you'll be seeing this contract address so far. You just copy it and go to your MetaMask. You understand? Come to your MetaMask. That's what you will be pasting here. The provision provided. You understand? The MetaMask. Okay, let's allow it to open again. So the contract address we copied is what you'll be pasting here. So just long press it. When you long press it, you'll be seeing paste. So once you paste it now, you click on next. You understand? Because then you see now, you don't have to do another thing. They'll bring everything for you, like the token symbol, as you can see here, is the KCP, and the token decimal is 18. You understand? So next you do is to click on next. Once you click on next, you understand, it will be saved automatically, and you will be seeing something like this. It will not appear in your dashboard here. You understand? This is the KCP, which will appear. So that's how to connect your contract address to your MetaMask. Hopefully we'll be expecting for their launch, you understand, as they said in their group so far. So that's how to link it, guys. So once you do that, you always come to the site, and always to get to earn more, you understand, share the link to your friends and let them copy your code. For you to copy your own code, invitation code, always come to this place that's invitation code, you understand. So once you click on it right now, you'll be seeing your own invitation code. This is the code I will be dropping at the description below, you understand. So once I drop this code at the description below, that's the code you will copy and paste it at this bind, you understand. So once you paste at this bind, then that's when you'll be getting your own lots of this coin. They'll be give you 500, sometimes they'll give you 300, depending on the amount you are lucky of. So right now I'm having a 1,128 worth of this coin. So depending on how I'm going to be paid on, then I'll know the value. So right now, this is the first airdrop I just want to work out about, you understand. So let me show the second airdrop, guys. So guys, the second airdrop we'll be talking about today is called the LumberJack game. You understand? So I'll just go ahead to show us how this site really works. I'll be dropping the link down in the description. And once you just click the link, it will take you to this to your own Telegram page where you have to follow the bot order. You understand? So it'll be something like start. You understand? So once you just click on that start, as you can see here, I just click on the link and it brought me to this one. So I just open a new page for it. You understand? So you just click on this start over here. So once you click on that start, you follow the next order that will be bringing out. Sorry. So once you click on the start, okay, there will be a menu for you. You understand? This menu is this box you are seeing right now. So this all will pop out. So this menu contains the NFT collection, your referral link, and my balance. You understand? So once you click on this referral link, that's where you'll be seeing your own referral link, which you have to share and you get some commission. Then once you click on this my balance so far, you'll be seeing amount you've earned in their token and amount the token worth in dollars in USDT or something. So, but if there's something you have to do for you to earn, you have to go ahead to play a game. You understand? So once you play a game, okay, right now just click on my balance and you see what we have here. You see, I have like 801 lumber, which is worth of their coins, like which is the amount in their token. You understand? So which worth $4 in USDT in our cryptocurrency. You understand? So that's how it is. That means if I can keep mine playing the game more than this 800 every day, I'm getting $4 every day, or even more than, because we can be doing more than that every day. So right now, how do you play the game and earn? The game is quite simple. Just the same way you tap other coins, the same way you do this, but this one you can do it as much as you can. So once you just click on this tap new game below it, it will take you to this place where you have to be tapping this circle. Okay, look at how the interface is. This interface, you can also get your referral link here. Understand? Then you can also click on this play to play your game. Then I think this tax is yet to come. Understand? There's no more tax here. So but what you have to do right now is just, as when you take you to this point, as you can see here, this is the amount of this thing I've gotten, the amount of number I've gotten so far. So once you want to play your game, as you can see, this is a fresh account for this airdrop I just showed us. I'm saying starter level. You understand? So you can always click on this tap to play. Once you click on this tap to play, you get started playing. You understand? So let's just do it for a while. Let me show us how it works. So I just click on tap to play and say please wait. So what you have to do is just to be clicking on this circle. You understand? This circle here, the more you're tapping it, as you can see, there's a number increasing. The number is currently 20 something now. It's currently 30 something now. So you can tap as much as you can. I think. You understand? So if you're able to tap it to 1000, then it will stop and credit you in your balance. Then you can go ahead to start again. That's how it actually works. So it just keep tapping it and you keep earning. So but if you want to stop here, maybe you don't want to keep tapping it to 1000 and you want to stop, you just leave it at this. Maybe I'll just at 150 and now this green arrow to slide down. You understand? Once it don't slide it down, I'll be credited 150 lumber added to the one. I'll just click on OK now. So that's how it works. You understand? So now my balance have also increased right now. Sorry guys, that was a call. So you can go ahead to boost your earning by clicking on this 2x boost. This 2x boost is like to double your earning. You understand? So one other important thing in this site is you connecting it to an exchange. Just click on this select exchange, and the exchange they work with is called the 2bit. You understand? The 2bit. Don't just click on this exchange and you see select exchange. You just click on it and you see the only exchange they work with here is the 2bit. So you can also get this 2bit in your what's it called, in your Play Store, your Google Play Store, or your so that's all. Just click it. Once you click it, you connect it. They say selected exchange successfully. I just click on this OK. You understand? So that's it. Then for you to get, because that's where you will be receiving your pay. So as you can see now, the tapping I tapped, I've just added to my balance. I'm having 1950 something. So once you go back now and click at this menu point and click my balance, you see that their pay has been increased. You understand? So that's how this site actually works. You understand? You see that my balance has increased actually. So as you can see, I'm having like 1,095 worth of their token, their lumber token, and which worth $9. You understand? So that's how this site was. You can focus this site and make a whole lot of money every day. Remember, and I'll be showing you their community group. This is one reason you don't have to joke with this site. So in their community group so far, they have I think they've stated their the day of launch. You understand? They have stated the day of launch. So and this day of launch is what we are open for. So once it launched that day, okay, look at the community group. So you can also join their Telegram group, which you'll be seeing. I want you to go close look at this. They say this the trading will start on the 15th of this July, which today is 6. That means we have like 10, okay, we have like 9 days to go. So once the trading start, that means withdrawal will be open on the 16th. You understand? So withdrawal will be open on the 16th July. That means we just have few days to go, which is 10 days to go. Start withdrawing whatever we've tapped from this coin, guys. So guys, you have to rush this site and don't play with it. You understand? So one thing you have to do is to download the 2 bit 2 bit um exchange. You understand? Download it and get and link it to your account. So the 2 bit exchange is also in your Play Store. For those using Android, you can check it in your iPhone. So once you just go ahead to type the 2 bit, you'll be seeing the exchange. So I already have it also. You understand? So I already have it also. Only that I can go and as you can see, yeah, if you don't have it, you'll be seeing install. So my own is showing update, so I'll go and update it later. You understand? So that's how the site really works. So you've seen that it will be launched soon, according to what they said in their community group. So you just go ahead. I will drop in the link at the description. You go ahead and start tapping and making a lot of pay. You understand? So hopefully we pay the pay as they say that. Look at my main dashboard from this one, like my main account from this one. So which I've like tapped some amount of token from it. You understand? So I'll just click on my balance and I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. So look at the previous balance I've checked so far. I was having 50 something USDT, 70 something dollars here. So after doing some tapping, though I've not been serious, okay, right now presently I've tapped 16,500 and 16,528 27 lumber, and which was 82 USDT here, $82. You understand? So guys, this is the estimated price of it. So if you find this very interesting, go ahead, start tapping and making your earnings from this site. And so this is what I found, and I still bring it to us. So if you find value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, drop a nice comment, and please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. You understand? Just touch the red subscribe button before leaving. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in my next video, guys.